Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, we are flying the ASC 2680. We did the unboxing and we're gonna fly it around. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, your review channel. Yes, ASC 2680. I'm doing the flight. If you didn't see the unboxing, check out the video in the description. There'll be a video link for that, and as well at the end of this video, you'll see the full unboxing. Today we're flying the actual drone. Going to show you some footage. Some actual footage, and we're gonna fly it around and see how it performs. If you haven't seen my last few drone videos, every year I pick up a new drone and we do a complete unboxing and a review. Now this specific drone here, it's like the other drones I've purchased. I forgot to mention that the camera, you have to manually tilt it. That is what you have to do. So we'll put it down at about a 45-degree angle, that way we get a down shot. It is a 1080p camera, which is decent. So if you saw how to hook it up, definitely check that out. Syncing it, very easy. Download the software. It's all in the other video. That's how you do that. So we're gonna get this set up. We're gonna sync it. We're gonna get it in the air. We're gonna get some footage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Okay, guys, as you can see here, I have the drone hooked up to the camera. You can see it's moving around. You can see it. So we have the feed hooked up. I showed you how to sync it in the other video. So let's take off and see how we get some footage. I'm going to start the recording. Let's start that first. Hit the start recording. So now we're actually recording and we're going to take off. So the takeoff, all you do is hit this one button to take off, like I showed you before. And right there. And there it is. So there's the drone. It's going to stay stable just like it is all around. You can see how it's just sitting like that. Super easy. The camera's on there. So it's going to stay really stable right now because it's using the optical flow technology. That's the first thing. Here's my camera right here. You can show that. Here I am, walking in front of it. So let's get some footage and see how we do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get some footage flying it around and see how we do. As you can see here, this is some of the footage from the actual camera on the drone. Pretty stable. Like I said, it's 1080p is the frame rate, 30 frames per second. I would say it's not too jittery at all. You can see it's pretty clean, not jerking around at all. The color is balanced, not bad at all. For an inexpensive drone under $100, it's really not a bad deal whatsoever. So the performance of the drone is actually very stable. I'm surprised. I got up there pretty high, and didn't lose the signal whatsoever, and recorded on the SD card as well as on my phone as well. So I had two recordings that's going at one time, which I did like that a lot. You can see here it's just performing quite well. I'm enjoying flying this drone quite a bit. As you can see, it's performing very, very well. It's actually doing really well. Pretty stable, actually, I have to tell you. It's a little windy out today, and doing a great job. I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with it. Let's just see how it goes. The camera looks really good. Good footage so far. You can see how it's just flying around. Shoot it right up. Pretty high up there. Bring it down. You can see it's actually performing very. Didn't mean to get you dizzy with this footage, but I just wanted to play around with the controls and just see how they reacted, and they actually respond pretty well. It's doing a spiral. As you can see here, it's a spiral. Didn't mean to get you dizzy, but it definitely works well. You can just see how that performs, and it didn't lose signal at all with the controller, which I really liked that a lot. It was some good stability, good stability. You can see the colors well balanced on the foliage. Hit the land button again. I did hit the land button one more time, and you can see it's landing on its own. This is a great little drone, I have to tell you. Much, much better than the last ones. Okay guys, just like last time, we're finishing up the video. The drone flying around here, you can see. Really performs really nicely. I'm pretty impressed. Here you go guys, I got the drone started up. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the drone. And we're just gonna fly it out of town here. It's drifting a little bit. This is very windy out today, as you can see, but not too bad. Have it fly right over me. There we go. Pretty cool. Again, you can see I'm just using, this is the actual footage from the camera, and you can see here it's pretty stable. Just walking it around, controlling and just getting some shots, as you can see here. Cranking right along. There's no jitter in the imaging, so definitely it's a 1080p, 30 frames per second. If it was any lower than that, you would see some jittering. So that's what it is, and I'm very happy with the quality and the overall performance with the SD card. I was able to transfer the files no problem into my computer, which is really good, very compatible. And just the overall performance is excellent. I'm just going to finish up the video, get some more footage, and I hope you're enjoying the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also consider that super thanks. If you enjoy my videos, it does help me raise money to my channel and helps me do what I do so I can teach you to do things that you want to do. And that's what it's about. I appreciate it as always. Alright, so the lights are blinking. That means the battery looks like it's probably getting low. I think that's an indicator. The battery's getting low. That's what that means. So I guess we're going to stop right now. Okay, guys? Appreciate it as always. Don't